Bad Discord. Discord, no. Four. There we go. Fourth tries the charm. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and ping everyone again. At YouTube notifications, streams back up. That was some bullshit. Okay. Rapid jab. It's frustrating. Man, I don't even... Let's clear that frame, insert keyframe, place jab 5, because it's literally the same frame. Okay. Yeah, let's hold each one out for one frame then. Wait. First I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. One, two, two, three, three. And then this extra frame is the go to or stop. So now we can do remove frames. And cool. Insert. Let's go. Yeesh. Okay. That's icky. We'll move that a fair bit. And I feel like a pixel. pixel. Okay, cool. So let's copy that X offset because we're going to need it for the next one. That's going to be that Y offset and that X offset. Wait, what the fuck is wrong with this sprite? God, why are Kirby's sprites broken? Whatever. I'll just clear that super quickly, and I'll edit it super quickly. Paint.net. Welcome back, Soy. Super quickly, I'm also going to post the re-up link back in the other shit biscuits. Nah, fuck it. Fuckity fuck it. People will find it if they find it. I can't be fucked right now. Let's open the image, use the pencil, and color pick this guy. Right, fixed. So let's delete that, and we'll drag that back in. 111, then 12 with this X offset. What the fuck is wrong with Kirby's sprites? Jesus. What the fuck is wrong with... Oh my god, you can't fix this. Okay. Okay. So, this is why we have 14. First, I'll clear that because I'm terrified of crashes. Then I'll place that. Insert a keyframe first. There we go. Fuck it, it's bad. No one cares. God, it's so bad though. Ugh. You know what? Whatever. Since it goes to that, few people will notice. Okay. Then jab 9 is the final one. That's like that and like that. New. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Alright. We're golden. So now it's a matter of adding hitboxes. First, we want to go with the hurt boxes. So we'll insert a layer, which creates a hurt box because I haven't fine-tuned any of this to the degree that I plan to yet. Yeah, right. And let's just... And we'll name this body. This is gonna cover his body at all times. And put it like that. There we go. Nice. Feel like that's fair. Yoink. Insert the keyframe there. And we can keep that. Then we have that. No, we want it like this. There we go. And we'll actually drag it over like that. But we'll be a little generous to accommodate for that. Cool. Then keyframe. And keyframe and keyframe. Yoink. And yoink. Huh. And yoink. Cool. So now let's do one for his back leg. Insert layer, let's move that one up. Leg L. We can make that smaller. There we go. So we want hitboxes to be as generally accurate as possible while still feeling good. So we want allowance for, like, weird misses, you know? Okay. Oh, cool. That's convenient. Then here we can insert another keyframe. Yeah, that's good. Insert another keyframe. Remember, players only see hitboxes if they go looking for them. Normally, we want hitboxes to be something that they won't feel, just period. Okay, yeah. We'll insert a keyframe and make that bigger so that then we can put that there. That way it'll feel good. Yoink. And then insert the keyframe there. Make that smaller. Make that cover more. Insert the keyframe there. Make that smaller. Make that cover more. Smaller cover. Nah. Yeah, that'll feel better actually, yeah. Insert the keyframe. Smaller. Hold on, here we go. Yeah. Okay. And that's better. We'll insert the layer. Shift that up. Call that leg R. And we can put it like that since, like, realistically speaking, the opponent is gonna hit you right there, so it should be fine. If they do, it's no biggie, it's just, yeah. Do it like that. I'm gonna grab my power limiters. So that later on I can take them off all anime style. Do a fucking chaos blast or some shit. Alright, we got that. Yep. That. And that. Carpal tunnel is no joke. It's a pain. I'd call it a pain in the ass, but, well, that wouldn't be accurate now, would it? No, fuck. Clear. Insert keyframe. By the way, my movements are perpetually jerky, so, like, I have trouble using a mouse normally. Which is why it's a little bit slow. By a little bit, I mean a lot of it. So then we can go that. Fuck it, that'll do. Yoink. 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 Boink. Skidoink. Alright. Whew. I'm tired. But I have to keep going. Right, layer up. And let's do the front arm for now. Yeah. Arm. And let's go ahead and yoink. Keyframe. Keyframe. And that's the new keyframe. And the old one, we don't need the hitbox on, so blank. We got that. Lovely. Keyframe, blank. Keyframe, blank. Keyframe, blank. And there we go. God, I can't wait to add fucking copy pasting. And also make the right click menu work. And also fix the... just fix all the bugs with the timeline. The timeline is too full of bugs right now, man. So many bugs, you call it fucking recoded. I need help. Wait, no, damn it. We'll remove that layer, insert layer, shift layer up, we'll call that back. And this will be everything that we missed, which is mostly stuff with the back arm and the back, like, body extension. So, yeah, we can have a hitbox keyframe there. Why not? Make it like that. There we go. In general, we kind of want to, like, minimize our hitbox usage when possible. Just, you know, for optimization's sake. Insert blank keyframe. So that's why I'm like deleting hitboxes like fairly often and inserting blank keyframes rather than just hiding them inside of the hitbox. It just reduces computation time in the worst case scenario. So yeah. Blank keyframe and that. Another keyframe. And then our third keyframe. And blank and blank. No, wait, blank. There we go. All right. Okay, cool. That'll be hype. So our hurt boxes are done. Now we just need attack boxes. So we should only need one. Insert keyframe, clear that, and bam. Yeah. Did it just zoom? God, I feel like I'm going crazy. You know what? Hold on. Here we are. Now, this should be good because it should, like... Yeah. Yeah! That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay, cool. Okay, one. Wait, no, not yet. There we go. Let's insert a blank keyframe there. I feel like 3 active frames is nice. Right, 1, 2, and we'll insert a keyframe there and insert a blank keyframe there. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need 3 hitboxes. I mean, not 3, 2 hitboxes. Dang it. Possibly more. Crap baskets. 2, 3. Whatever. Insert layer. Shift the layer up. Insert keyframe. Go back. Clear frames. I need to set that to clear keyframes. Like change the name of that. Just to make it more accurate. Ah, jeez. Has anyone ever noticed just how big this is? This is a little absurd. This is straight up a sword. I'm giving Kirby a sword. I already gave him a sword with back air, but like, I'm giving him a sword. Fuck. Okay, fuck it. Let's just try to get this and be as ungenerous as possible. And we'll insert another layer. Insert the keyframe, clear the keyframe. Honestly, yeah, that should be good. Insert keyframe, insert keyframe. You can move that down there, and that roughly right there. Cool. Insert keyframe, insert keyframe. Select that, put that there. Put that there. Man, that's kind of absurd. I'm not gonna lie. That's ugly. Blank, blank. Blank, blank. Blank. And wait, no, I don't gotta insert blank keyframes for those. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Ah, jeez. God, that is not pretty. That is really not pretty. I am so sorry, everyone. I have regrets. Okay, so we'll save that. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and open Kirby. Sorry, Gabriel. SF2 Delta, the latest version with Banjo is still in development. Please understand, these things take a while, and we've got some special content for you guys, so if you could be patient, that'd be greatly appreciated. Yeesh, what the hell is wrong with that? I guess we can remove that. Add project reference. And you know what? Let's browse. We'll browse for this. So let's go up. SSBE Final Mix. SSBE Binary Debug Windows and beautiful. There it is. That's what we want. Alright, this looks good. Why? None. And none for that. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and crap baskets. So what we need to do is we need to create an equivalent of the SF2 weird-ass function. You know the one I'm talking about, the timer function. That one. Okay, so I guess we're adding it to fighter dependencies for now. I'm going to clean up this class sooner or later, but not right now. Public delegate void timer function. What do we want for the timer function? Any parameters? Nah, we're good. Cool, so over in Fighter, we'll create a function called public void create timer. So let's go how many frames it should take to repeat. Yeah. Interval int length, and that'll be the length in frames. And timer function func. While we're at it, we'll go ahead and add a new thing for that. We'll go protected timer function. Protected list timer function. Hi, Steel. Persistent functions, protected list timer function, impersistent functions. Persistence will carry through states, and impersistence will not. Bool, yeah, int length, bool persistent. Cool. Dev progress is going great. This stream I've been adding Kirby's jab, well, working on it. I wanted to do both jab and F-tilt, but honestly I'm not sure I'll have the energy for F-tilt since jab is like a lot and it's also requiring a little bit of engine work. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Huh. Wrapper. There we go. Public int interval. Okay, protected list timer function wrapper. Timers equals new. There we go. That should do me a favor. What do you mean, why wouldn't I do F-tilt first? Like, jab is right there. Might as well get it out of the way, right? Get the engine work out of the way, too. I would have to do timers at some point if I want to add, like, up B and other shit like that. Fuck, I'm dying. Int length, public. Here, let's go. Capital I interval, capital L length, persistent. -1 public bool, wait, public timer function. Func. public timer function wrapper func int interval equals 1, int length equals -1, int no bool persistent, no fuck, timer function func int interval equals 1, int length equals -1, bool persistent equals false. Func equals func, interval equals interval. Okay, Doppy, I'll look in your DMs, but I'm gonna do so on mobile, because stream. Ah, gotcha. Nice, nice. The day that we talked about it, actually, I went ahead and made one, because I was like, yeah, fuck it, I have that type of mental energy. But yeah, I'll definitely discuss it with you after the stream. Cool. And then public int timer equals 0. Public void tick. Okay, so timer plus plus if timer is equal to length Here we go. Entity owner, and I'll also add some functionality for the entity. Right. Public list God. Here we go. Timers. No, let's do protected. Equals new. Here we are. Let's go create timer. Destroy timer. Timer function func. Public pool alive. Okay. equals true. Dead, alive equals false. Oops. That should be timer and that. Okay. If alive there we go. Yeah, Doppy, I'm fucking, what am I doing? Right. I'm still working on Kirby's jab, but first I'm putting shit in the engine to add the whole timer shtick, the frame timer shtick from like SF2 and whatnot. Because that's a good system. Okay. If timer is equal to, here we go, if timer modulo interval is equal to 0, then we go and func.invoke. Lovely. Right, and then the entity can look through timers. For each timer function wrapper in here we go, we'll go timer in timers. If func dot equals timer dot func, then timer dot alive equals false. Cool. Then for this we'll go timers dot, you know what, we don't actually need an entity instance in here, we can just drop this entire thing. Okay. Timers dot add new func interval length persistent. Okay, fuck it. I'm just going to go with that. Func int interval equals 1, int length equals -1, int persistent equals false. Whoops, bool. Bool persistent equals false. Okay. So this takes physics. Bounds. Yeesh. timer function timer in timers. Timer function wrapper timer in timers. So we can't modify a list during a for each, right? So let's just go ahead and list timer function wrapper. To kill. Is equal to new. Here we go. Dead timers. You know what? Actually, timer. Let's go with timers dot. What if we, like, only got the ones with a given thing? How do I do this? Let me look up if you can remove during a for each. Oh, I see. So that's going to be timers dot remove all here we go. Timer dot not timer dot alive. So this should remove all the timers that aren't alive. In theory. And our create timer and destroy timer should create and destroy alive and shits. And lastly, at the start of our to state, let's go ahead and timers dot remove all timer timer dot here we go, not timer dot persistent. And this will remove all impersistent timers during to state. So with that, we should be able to run that. That should compile no problem. Cool. It seems happy with us. can get rid of that. So let's go in here to the debug DLL. And that should be it. We can go ahead here to the other debug thingy. And let's go ahead and open up Kirby. I know whether... Okay, good. It's in debug. And... replace. Beautiful. So now, I suppose I'll go ahead and make the next folder. Do I have a tilts? Oh, normals. Cool. So let's copy the content of, I know, dare. Yeah, we'll copy, no, let's copy fair. Fair has more code that we want. Into normals, Kirby jab, open that, rename that to Kirby jab, and Kirby jab. Right, while we're at it, hit stop can equal whatever we want, but hit stun should be 1 frame. And the angle, yeah, let's have it send outwards. And the damage can be, I feel like the first 2 hits can be 1 apiece. And you know what? They can have decent hit stun. Their hit stun's allowed to exist. But then the last one can't. I feel like that's reasonable. So over here, our first active frame is that. And according to frame data, it starts being cancelable. You know what? Let's make it cancelable right there. So frame 6. Public void frame 6. And then we want to update the stats for... Actually, let's set that to 2. Jab 1 and 2 will do 2 damage. Then the rapid jab will do like 0.5 damage. I feel like that's reasonable. Or maybe it can deal like... Here, rapid jab can deal 0.3 damage. There we go. So frame 6 is important. Frame 15, just because it could be important. So public void frame 15, in case we need to update the attack stats at all. And then frame 19. Public void frame 19. And then frame 30 is important. Public void frame 30, as is 36. Oh, right. Almost forgot. 14 is when we'll need our int tag, so public void frame 14 and frame 29. Public void frame 29. So public void jab check. There we go. And real quick, this.self.current. Okay, there's no current frame label or anything. Here we go. Public int jab phase equals 0. There. If this.self. I see. So I don't yet have a thing for getting controls or checking if a control is pressed. That's interesting. Let's create that, shall we? Whoops, I accidentally loaded Kirby. Let's load Refinal Mix. There we go. Public bool controls pressed. Return false. Okay, that can be control bits or control pressed or cool. Bool controls pressed or we'll do controls bits, and string control. Turn controls dot pressed control bits. You know what? Controls dot pressed control bits. Here we are. And string controls. No, we want control string. Public bool controls pressed or fuck. So that's int string array or control bits array. Int control bits Okay, so then we can copy all that for held. Crap baskets. Okay. Hold on. TXT. Here we are. Let's be clever about this. We're not cavemen. We have technology. Pressed with held. And held with released. This will come back to bite me later, but who cares? Okay. So we'll go ahead and run this. That'll build it. If it cooperates. Lovely. So now let's go back to the binary debug. Okay. If this.self.controls pressed attack. This.self.destroy timer jab check. And this.self.toFrame jab phase switch. 2. Rapid jab. Blank 2. Rapid jab. And jab fate. Yeah, okay, cool. So wait, frame 15 is the first frame of jab 2, so that'll set jab phase to 1. Frame 30 is the first frame, so that'll set jab phase to 2. Cool, cool, cool. This .self.create timer, jab check. There we go. Frame 14, frame 15. Is this.self.end attack. Frame 29 is this.self.end attack. Fresh timers. Oh, right, refresh timers dot clear. That'll refresh the hitboxes. What's on frame 19 again? I don't remember. Oh right, we create the timer again. This.self.create timer jab check. If this.self.controls held attack, then this.self.to frame rapid jab, else this.self.end attack. Jab phase 2. This.self.attack stats. Here we go. Attack stats attack equals that. Stat, no. Attack.damage equals 0.3 F. Attack dot. Alright, what else? Right. Hit stun equals 1 F. It'll get 1 frame of hit stun. I feel like that's reasonable. Maybe 2. Yeah, we can give it 2 frames of hit stun. Hold on, is that set knockback? Oh, fuck that. Nah, we don't want set knockback. Let's do base KB equals... 100? Nah, 500. KB growth equals... We'll go with 13. Alright. Now we can erase everything after that. And beautiful. So our frames are frame 6, frame 14, frame 15, frame 19, frame 29, frame 30, frame 36, and that's it. So, in accordance, frame 6, frame 14, frame 15, frame 19, frame 29, frame 30, frame 36. Alright, so we got Kirby Jab. Now we'll go over to our Builder class, because we get one of those. Scripts.add firestate.jab, type of Kirby Jab. Okay. Alright, let's hope this works. Good. So look, we're going to save that. We're going to save it again, just in case, as Kirby New 2. And then, let's collapse those and pick the DLL. Bin, debug. Okay. Alright, that seems to have worked. Now let's see if Kirby's been saved. He has, I think. Let's wait till 5:43, then we'll save again, just in case. You know how it is. You know how it goes. Here we are, 5:43. Save, and there it is. Okay. Moment of truth. Kirby old. Kirby. And let's see if it works. Okay. Minor issue. It doesn't fully work. At least Jap doesn't look too bad from this far away. Let's go back to Jab. It has Jab 2 as the frame label, and over here, Jab phase equals 0. It tries to go to Jab 2. See? There's no reason it shouldn't. So what the shit? We create the timer. Let's go console.writeLine attack pressed. Console.writeLine jab check. And also let's close that. Fucking hell. It's a wee bit frustrating, to say the very least. Oh well, we know it works. So we can go over to that. Open up Kirby New 2. And shit. Save as Kirby.ftr. Save and close. Copy that. Paste that. What the fuck? Why? Oh wait, no, that's just forms. Never mind. I gotta be looking here. Replace that. And we'll go here. So it appears to not be running at all whatsoever. Which I hope we can all agree is concerning. So let's try in this. Okay. I'm an idiot. I am a fool. God damn it. Okay, for each timer function wrapper, timer in timers, timer.tick. It was that simple. I am a fool. That's odd. Let's open up Kirby again. Get rid of the print statements for our own convenience. Huh. F15. And we'll put one here for our own convenience as well. And this will determine whether or not it runs frame 1 of a given thing. And if it doesn't, that's a problem. Like a structural one. One that I don't like. Okay, so this should have jab right here. Yep. Has jab. pass, exit. We're gonna drag our Kirby back over. It doesn't. Crap baskets. So what frame does it start on? Self. This dot self dot. Let me check this out again. I might have fucked up. States. Here we are. Jab. Look. Jab 2's first frame occurs on frame 15. Console dot right line keyframe dot key. Oh, I know why. Alright, yeah, we go to the right frame, it's just that it, you know, progresses before we can do anything with it. Which isn't good. No matter. We'll just... go back over here. And set that to frame. Man, that's frustrating. It's very frustrating. Fuck. Because this means that it's gonna skip a frame. It's gonna skip a frame's execution. It's going to render that frame, but skip what happens on that frame. We need to fix that. That's now built into how timers work, and that's not good, and I need to fix that. I can't just slap a band-aid on it. No. I need to clean out that wound. So look, that's fundamental to how timers work. And I believe the order for tick... Does tick timers... Yeah, fuck. Wait a minute. Okay. This can work. So entities don't have a global timer, but they do have refresh timers, and they do also have a timer list. By divvying that up, let me go to the handler and also add a reference to tick timers. Okay. For each entity, and entities, entity.tick timers. And now for fighters, here we go. Yeah, we'll go down to tick timers right here. And we'll go public override void tick timers. And we'll do base.tick timers. Tick timers down here. There we go. That way we do timer ++ and then we go to the go to and stop. All right. So that should make everything work better. Huh. Oh, wait. Might be. Okay. So, that's a start. Let's go back over to Kirby. Right, we forgot to refresh. This.self.refreshtimers.clear. Right, we got rapid jab, we got, what else we got? Yeah. Public void frame 32. Void frame 34. Yeah. And we'll copy that. (31, 33). We want frame 32, frame 34. Alrighty. What the fuck is on frame 15? Right. Right, period instead of a comma. Gotcha. Alright. DLL. That's the correct one. Control S, exit. We got it. Hello, person. I am develop. Also, Doppy, thank you for, like, yeah, getting hype about jab working. It took a while, and a good bit of engine fuckery, with a few mishaps. But, we got it. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Alright. That's dope. You'll love to see it. Alright, bet. No, this is not a Mewtwo Delta stream. There might be one of those in the future. That'd be hype. Maybe on my channel, maybe not on my channel. It's all dependent on, you know, who wants to do it and when more progress on them gets done. But yeah, a Mewtwo stream would definitely be hype. I just haven't been given the green light to show them off and whatnot. But yeah, jab works. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna go ahead and while I'm at it, I mean, this is... Nah, I don't need to do shit. The percentage display is all, like, placeholder right now. It's all just for fucking... What's it called? Debug purposes. So yeah. I feel like that's a very fair jab. Like, look, let me hit Kirby up a little bit. Let me get his damage up. Like it just sort of like poomps you a little bit. This game is satisfying. Alright. GG's, everyone. We did it! We did jab. I feel like that's a good note to end the stream on. Little bit of celebration. We completed jab. We added frame timers. Like, all in all, this has been a good stream. It's been nice, it's been productive, and I'm proud of it. I'm really proud of what I've done with SSBE so far, and I hope to do more. I'm really pushing towards... I really want this to become something that people just sit down and play, you know? And I'm really excited to make that happen. That's all for me today. I'll see you guys later.